Here are 3 conservation heroes to know about and thank. Okay, heroines. They are all women. 2 you likely know of, the urbanist Jane Jacobs, who taught cities how to keep in touch with nature and thus be livable, and Rachel Carson, whose Silent Spring set us on the road to preserving what was left of the natural world. The third is Rosalie Edge. In Edge, we have the consummate conservation fighter. Her bare-knuckle approach helped pass the 19th Amendment to the Constitution, before which women could not vote. She founded 2 national parks. Her biggest triumph was creating the first sanctuary for birds of prey, Hawk Mountain in Pennsylvania. Edge, and Edge alone, ponied up and bought the storied funneling point for eastern North America's birds of prey. Battling the calendar, she put the kibosh on the annual hawk and eagle shoot in 1934, a time when even leading conservationists amused themselves blasting birds of prey as they sailed past the rocks of Hawk Mountain at eye level. There was no understanding then of the keystone importance of raptors in our ecosystems. They were vermin. Any outdoorsman, any conservationist felt obliged to shoot hawks, falcons, and eagles, the better to protect songbirds, bunnies, and game birds. It was a contribution any self-appointed sportsman could make. Hawk Mountain on the Kittatinny Ridge in southeastern Pennsylvania was the best place in North America to make that contribution. Rosalie Edge jerked the so-called conservationists up short at Hawk Mountain. She made them stop and think. They called her the most honest, unselfish, indomitable hellcat in the history of conservation. For her confrontational advocacy, the warrior Rosalie Edge died in obscurity. But her spirit sails in the awestruck heart of everyone who makes the autumn pilgrimage to Hawk Mountain Sanctuary.
Oh, my Lord.